Hi, I'm Hardscape Nate with Rosetta Hardscapes. Welcome to another product information video, and today we're going to be discussing the Grand Flagstone product. So before we unpackage it, remember, hang on to the bag for at the end of the day, any leftover product we can cover it back up, as well as hanging on to our product label that has all of our pertinent information as far as pallet weight and product dimensions, as well as the product run date and time. So if we have any questions or our producer has any questions, they've got all the information they need. Let's get this unpackaged. All right, now that we have this unpackaged, let's dive into the details. You'll notice here that we have 8 layers on the pallet. This pallet weighs 2,000 pounds and gives you 90 square feet of coverage. Each one of these layers has 3 to 4 unique shapes and textures to it. So as we go to lay this out, it gives you that beautiful Grand Flagstone feel, but you have all the dimensions of an easy installation paving product. This is the perfect product for walkways, patios, again, commercial applications in a courtyard. This product is awesome from Rosetta, and thank you for joining us on this product information series. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.